Welcome to our demo video about the new KaVo ProXam 3D and KaVo ProXam 3DQ X-ray units. The new KaVo ProXam series utilizes the premium technology of Planmeca imaging portfolios, thus rounding out KaVo's product range in this important area of digital dental practice. Together, KaVo and Planmeca have focused on the highest image quality and one efficient modern workflow. My name is Elena Bauer. I'm a product manager at KaVo and will be presenting the most important benefits and features of the new 3D X-ray units. KaVo's new 3D X-ray units are at the top of the KaVo imaging portfolio. With various three-dimensional imaging programs such as 2D panoramic and Ceph images, the 3D X-ray units meet all the requirements of modern imaging. KaVo's new 3D X-ray units have the following three product benefits. First, its high image quality. With extremely small voxel sizes, high-resolution detailed images are possible, which are essential in endodontics, for example. Second, the ultra-low dose mode. By using the ultra-low dose mode, the effective radiation dose can be reduced by an average of 77%, without any statistical reduction in image quality. Third, easy patient positioning. The open architecture of the 3D X-ray units enables comfortable face-to-face patient positioning, which is particularly beneficial for anxious patients. The laser system also ensures maximum precision during positioning. In addition to these excellent product features, the KaVo ProXam 3D units also offer the following benefits. During the design and development of the units, particular attention was paid to creating a space-saving and compact form. Moreover, hardly any plastic is used in the selected materials, which not only makes the ProXam 3D a real eye-catcher, but also particularly durable thanks to the high material quality and top-notch workmanship. The SCARA robotic technology with its three-joint arm enables high-precision movements for anatomically correct image geometry. For example, the C-arm can be fully extended, ensuring comfortable entry from the side of the unit. Large vertical range of motion enables the unit to capture images of especially tall patients, children, and wheelchair users. The unit is operated either directly on the unit's touch display or via the desktop software on the PC. Another benefit in terms of flexibility, KaVo's 3D X-ray units can easily be extended to become cephalometric units, Ceph-arm. The following functions of the 3D X-ray units facilitate, use and ensure high image quality. Calm mode corrects motion artifacts using an iterative algorithm, thus minimizing the need for retakes. This is a great advantage, especially with longer scan times and for children or elderly patients. ARA mode reduces metal artifacts and reliably removes shadows and streaks that can result from metal restorations. The INO mode ensures optimal noise reduction without losing valuable details, enabling a low radiation dose while ensuring high image quality through the use of extremely small voxel sizes. INO mode is automatically active when the ultra-low dose imaging mode is used. The KaVo ProXam 3D X-ray unit has a comprehensive range of 2D and 3D imaging programs. In addition to the standard 2D panorama programs, there are special programs to choose from, such as the extraoral bitewing program and the Ceph program. The three-dimensional imaging programs include the following functions. Individual tooth images, including an endodontic function for high-resolution detailed images with a voxel size of 75 micrometers. Images of several teeth, including an extended volume, a double or a triple scan. In these modes, 2 or 3 tooth scans are merged into one larger 3D image. Now let's get down to the details of the unit itself. Operation of the unit is particularly user-friendly, thanks to the swiveling touch display. For quick and easy program selection, the most recently used modes are available on the Start page. Step-by-step instructions guide the user intuitively through the entire workflow. First, the X-ray area, the volume size, and the patient size are selected. Then the image resolution is selected. The ultra-low dose mode can be activated using the ULD button to take pictures with a particularly low radiation dose. The unit automatically adjusts the exposure parameters depending on the settings selected. This button can be used to activate the calm mode in order to correct motion artifacts in the X-ray image. This is shown graphically on the touch display for better visualization and support when positioning the patient. 4 positioning lasers are available to ensure anatomically correct patient positioning. The lasers can be aimed directly on the unit using the buttons and joystick, allowing the X-ray area to be adjusted vertically and horizontally. So-called scout recordings can be made for optimal volume positioning before the actual 3D recording. 2 2D images are taken laterally and posteriorly. With the help of these scout recordings, an additional radiation dose can be prevented by a new 3D recording. After all settings have been selected and the patient is optimally positioned, the radiation symbol can be selected. This automatically switches the unit to the recording position. Recording can be started using the release button. Now we have the premium device of the KaVo imaging portfolio, the KaVo ProXam 3D-Q. The Q in the product name already indicates that this unit has much more to offer than the KaVo ProXam 3D X-ray unit. The 2 units mainly differ in their maximum volume size. While the KaVo ProXam 3D works with a maximum volume of 11 by 8 cm, the new KaVo ProXam 3D-Q has a maximum volume of 20 by 10 cm. This gives you an even larger selection of pre-configured programs for a wide range of diagnostic applications, but above all for the ENT area. These include recordings of the nose, sinuses, middle ear, cervical spine, temporal bone, and the respiratory tract. Another advantage of the new KaVo ProXam 3D-Q X-ray unit is the free volume positioning. The C-arm automatically adjusts its position depending on which volume was chosen. This means that the chin rest does not have to be adjusted manually, as with the KaVo ProXam 2D or 3D X-ray unit, because the KaVo ProXam 3D-Q moves on its own and thus automatically adjusts its vertical position. In addition to the large maximum volume of 20 by 10 cm, the special ENT functions and free volume positioning, the new KaVo ProXam 3D-Q X-ray unit naturally has the same product benefits and 2D and 3D X-ray programs as the KaVo ProXam 3D. The KaVo Physio Chair is a useful accessory for the 3D X-ray units. The casters of the chair are equipped with brakes to ensure stable patient positioning during the recording of the X-ray. Of course, appropriate positioning aids for 2D and 3D X-ray images are included in the unit scope of delivery. As part of the new KaVo imaging portfolio, the new KaVo ProXam 3D X-ray units meet all the requirements of modern imaging. With full integration into the proven Romexis all-in-one software, an efficient digital workflow is also possible. Further details on the 3D X-ray units can be found on the KaVo website as well as in the Romexis videos. Thank you for your attention.